penultimate race. Way they go. Go, go, snake, go, snake, go. Fast to begin, brushing up on the outside, wondrous win. Sugar Glaze on the further outside, down on the inside is Big Packet. Salin Lahi to take the lead. Salin Lahi, followed by Sugar Glaze on the outside, Big Packet. Go, go, snake, go by the wondrous win. And alongside Erica's champ, Phil Koski, Launlaan. As they race the last 500, Salin Lahi by about 3 lengths. Sugar Glaze is running in second. As they race the final corner, Salin Lahi by about 3 lengths. Sugar Glaze on the outside, Big Packet. Go, go, snake, go, and Launlaan in between runners. Salin Lahi, Sugar Glaze on the outside, and Launlaan. But still Salin Lahi by about 4. And finally, Salin Lahi, Sugar Glaze, Launlaan. Wondrous Win, Will Koski. Go, go, snake, go. Ergas Chum, Big Packet.
79246 ang ating unofficial order of